Introducing the 101 Herbal Hair Regrowth Solution with 13 first place international awards. The 101 hair programs use a unique 100% herbal treatment for hair loss with no major side effects and the best possible results. Most people initially see a GP or dermatologist for their hair loss problem. These doctors usually prescribe topical and orally taken drugs to help promote hair regrowth. Unfortunately, these medicines were not specifically designed for hair loss treatment and therefore have limited effectiveness and a number of potential side effects. For example, one of these drugs was originally a high blood pressure medication. Its potential side effects include swelling of the face, blurred vision, chest pain, irregular heart rate, rapid weight gain, increased hair loss, and unwanted hair growth. Another drug was originally used for prostatic hyperplasia and may cause irreversible sexual dysfunction in males and birth defects in pregnant females. At the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic, we regrow your hair through a totally non-invasive process called Herbal Follicular Activation. This involves both in-clinic and home-use treatments to stop excessive hair loss, clean and unblock scalp pores, then activate and nourish the hair follicles. Herbal follicular activation is much like turning your car key to start the engine. It actually ignites and activates the sluggish and dormant hair follicles by providing more oxygen and essential nutrients to the follicle base. This creates ideal conditions for new hair growth. Unlike pharmaceutical hair loss treatments that may result in serious health risks, our all-natural multi-therapeutic approach works both internally and externally to achieve optimum results. Our hair regrowth programs are recognised as the fastest and safest and most effective solutions for hair loss control and recovery. By combining centuries of Chinese herbal knowledge with modern science, we've created a safe, drug-free treatment that's suitable for men, women and children. We will firstly assess your level of hair loss and then arrange a personalised hair regrowth plan that's based on your specific case. Your progress will be monitored and medication dosages modified if necessary throughout the treatment course. In this way, we will ensure you achieve the fastest and best possible results for genetic thinning and alopecia areata with no side effects, which allows long-term treatment.
I used the products 1 year ago and I'm so happy with the results. I now don't have a problem with hair loss.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm an alopecia sufferer for approximately 1 year. I've attended a specialist and they've tried to recover my symptoms with pharmaceutical medicines, but it was proven to be unsuccessful because I was still suffering from hair loss and shedding a lot of hair. And there was one point where I almost lost all of my hair. After three to 4 months, I've gained about 80 to 90% of my hair back.
He grew about 80%, and I'm so happy, so I come to treatment on myself.
So if you're experiencing either genetic thinning or alopecia areata and haven't yet considered a treatment, or if you've already used other treatments before and experienced poor results, side effects or both, then please visit this webpage and submit the online consultation form. Congratulations on finding the 101 Herbal Hair Regrowth Solution with 13 international awards, all natural treatments and incredibly fast results.